Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, what are we doing today?
We're making a rope swing with Hunter's old tires for his quad. He's got like 40 feet of rope.
Yeah, we just went to Lowe's, we went over there, got like 40 feet like he said, and we got the BMX bikes out today. We got the dirt scooter for air in the tires, and yeah, gonna get a few clips.
Not gonna work because rope is too thick. Oh, no, don't work. Oh, we're good. Alright, don't hit me. Fuck! Probably should have let go of the rope with both hands. Fuck!
I wonder how long this is gonna take.
I almost got it the first try too, that's why I'm pissed. I don't know. Fuck! That was there! Doing it. Maybe not. Probably not. I doubt it. Oh, we did it!
Hey! We got it!
Someone's gotta grab that!
This is gonna be pretty lit. Look at all these tires.
Got the rope up. We got the tires on. Now we just gotta somehow swing it over the branch again, so this is gonna be hilarious to watch. It's a swing. It actually works pretty good.
The only problem is,
The little branch is a little loose, but nah, it's fine. We'll be fine.
yeah, definitely. Alright guys, so we got the rope swing up, and me and Jordan and Justin will get a little sesh on the new jump that we built for the dirt scooter and the bikes, and yeah. Ew. Bar spin up, whip in.
Bar spin up, whip in. You heard him say it. Let's see. Gotta get that long run up. Send it!
Holy shit!
He did not send it. Hunter, would you like to explain to us what happened there?
My front wheel got stuck.
Yeah.
That's
It
basically
did.
what happened.
It did. Are you gonna try it again? So Hunter failed at the tabletop, so he's gonna try the double over here. I don't know if he's gonna clear it. It's kind of a long gap, but he's gonna send it. So let's see what happens. Oh, he's getting the run up. He's getting the run up. Let's see what he does.
Oh my god! Double.
Oh, it was steezy up until that, Hunter. You gonna try again?
Yeah, get it again.
Come on, Hunter! At a bar spin, I think. He's gonna send it! Oh, he still didn't send it. Come on, Hunter, you're disappointing everyone. Fuck! Wow.
Alright, I'm giving this kid one more shot. He doesn't do one more shot, I'm gonna do it.
Alright, word.
See, my whole thing is I'm not afraid to throw the actual bar. It's when I land, I don't want to just fucking face plant into the dirt.
Okay, he's worried about face, but look, he lands. He literally lands right here. You can see his tire mark.
Yeah, no, but that's not
He's
what
got
I'm
plenty
about.
of fucking time. You're just crying. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Jordan's gonna do it before me.
Alright, Jordan's gonna send it. Let's see if Jordan can throw a bar spin real quick. Oh, cruising. Oh!
That was scary.
That was so close. He still sent it.
Sent it.
Still gonna send that.
Still gonna do it.
He's still gonna do it. Hunter's so mad.
If he ends up getting this before me, I'm gonna be really pissed off.
I think he is gonna end up getting it before
I was
you.
gonna face plant right into the dirt. As soon as I was gonna land, I thought it was gonna go like this.
Hunter's so mad, he's determined to do it now. He's like, shit, someone did it before me. You got such a run up too. What the hell? Come on.
Come on, for that run up, you can do a bar whip.
Where are you going?
You're going, Sticky.
You're just giving yourself more exercise in your legs. You're not going that much faster. Come on! Send it!
Oh my god.
Again! Oh, that was it!
I fucking said
That was it! Come on! All right, you know what, Hunter? I'll do a bar spin flat just to make you feel better. I don't scooter or BMX, so if I do land this bar spin, that's like a lot for me. I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes right now, so I don't know. Let's just see. I suck. Oh my god. All right. You know what? I didn't land on the scooter, but I caught it.
You're... Yeah.
And Hunter's gonna try to throw the bars now.
Better get this bar spin, you pussy. Get this bar.
All right, here he comes. He did it before. He didn't stick it though. Oh, what was that? You foot fairy? You saw that? Nice. Can't forget the steez. Can't forget the steez. Oh. Alright, well, you landed it. Oh, is he hitting the jump? Is he hitting the jump? Oh, that was nothing. Really brand new. Starts right up. So we're going to put everything back in the shed, and then we got a junk light bulb we're going to shoot with the BB gun for y'all, I guess. We'll do some other weird shit. It's getting dark out. So we figure we take this light bulb down here. And we're gonna shoot it, and when it breaks, we're gonna try to get it in slow motion. That's the end of our video. It's dark out. We got a stripper. Anyway, we're all tired. It's dark. We have a fun day.
It's very hot.
We'll see you in the next. Very hot. Very humid out.
Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff.
Tell your friends.
Tell your friends. Yeah, tell your grandma. Tell your friend's grandma.
Tell your daddy.
Tell your daddy's daddy. Tell everybody.
Tell your poppy, whatever you call, your significant other in bed. Don't matter.
Poppy.
Anyway. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.